Hello, FLATED friends and family and fellow road trip lovers. Today, I'm going to take you through the very quick and easy process of installing our air carrier on a vehicle without racks. So let's get started. I've already taken the minute or two to inflate the air carrier so it's ready for the install. And although you can mount this on a vehicle without anything else except for the straps, I suggest utilizing our rack pads, which are just pads that go on top of your vehicle and then the air carrier sits on top of it. But regardless if you have those or not, once you have the air carrier on top, you're ready to strap it down. And this is achieved by very easily opening up your car doors and then getting the two included cam straps ready so that you can strap it down. You'll find that there are 4 D-rings that are on the bottom of the air carrier, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. This is how you're going to attach it. Once you have your air carrier on top of your vehicle, and take a look at it, make sure that it's straight on there. You don't want it on one side or the other because it rides better that way. You're gonna take that cam strap, go to one side of the vehicle and take the end and go through the D-ring and pull it down evenly and put it inside the car. Then go to the back one and do the exact same thing. From there, walk around the vehicle and then take that strap, come through the vehicle, take the end without the buckle, go up through the other side D-ring, around, and then back to the cam buckle and pull it tightly, and do this on both of the straps, both front and back. Now, if you find after your first test run with this that you hear a light hum, like a that is the straps vibrating in the wind. And there is a very easy solution to this, and that is to undo the strap and then just take it and turn it. Put a few twists in it, maybe like 8, 9, 10 twists in it so that the strap's not flat. Then put it back through the cam buckle and pull it tightly. You're gonna have some excess strap after you pull it through there. Now, if you wanted to, you could go and cut that off so that you have just a bit of a pigtail, or it's a great cam strap for other uses. You can just put a daisy chain in it and tuck it away. After that, you're ready to go. Put your hand in the Velcro, open it up, take the zipper, open it up, load up your gear as much as you can get in there, close it up, and then head out on the road. We have designed this thing to be the most practical, easiest way to get your gear up on your roof and then for you to get out on the road. And we certainly appreciate you utilizing them. I hope this video shares just how easy it is to get the air carrier mounted up without racks and to get you out on the road on your next adventure. However, if you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call or go on our Facebook page or our Instagram account, send us a message, and we'll get on the phone with you to help make it as quick and as easy as possible. And as always, thank you for getting FLATED.